In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Pictory AI application on your Android smartphone. Let's set expectations right away. If you search for Pictory AI in the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store, you won't find it listed there. That's because Pictory AI is installed directly through your mobile web browser as a web app. The process is quick, secure, and gives you an app-like icon on your home screen for easy access. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Android phone. You can use another modern browser if you prefer, but Chrome tends to offer the smoothest experience. Tap the address bar at the top, type pictory.ai, and press enter. Make sure you're on the official site before continuing. Once the Pictory homepage loads, look for the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Give that a tap and choose Login. This takes you to the Pictory AI login page. Enter your account email and password, then tap the Login button. If you already have an account, use those same details. If not, you can create one on their site before continuing. After you've successfully signed in, open your browser's menu by tapping the three dots in the top right corner. In this menu, look for an option that says Install App. On some devices or browsers, you might see Add to Home Screen instead. It works the same way. Tap that option to begin. You'll see a small prompt asking you to confirm. Tap Install to proceed. Your phone will quickly set up Pictory AI as a standalone experience, just like a native app without going through the Play Store. This usually takes only a few seconds and doesn't require any special permissions. When the installation finishes, you'll find a new Pictory AI icon on your home screen and often in your app drawer as well. Tap the icon to open it. It should launch full screen, and because you already logged in through the browser, you'll be ready to start using Pictory AI right away. If you ever need to repeat this process, just return to pictory.ai and the install option will appear again when available. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Pictory AI application on your Android smartphone through your web browser. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.